Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Vidya continued, I know that the great sage Narada is the greatest of all devotees. He has compiled the Pankaratrika procedure of devotional service and has directly met the Supreme Personality of Godhead. There are two different ways of approaching the Supreme Lord. One is called Bhagavat Marga, or the way of Srimad Bhagwatam, and the other is called Pankaratrika Vidhi. Pankaratrika Vidhi is the method of temple worship, and Bhagavat Vidhi is the system of 9 processes, which begin with hearing and chanting. The Krishna conscious movement accepts both processes simultaneously, and thus enables one to make steady progress on the path of realization of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. This Pankaratrika procedure was first introduced by the great sage Narada, as referred to here by Vidya.